I like to look at my bags like they're my little babies. I'm like, oh, look at you guys. Just looking so cute and pristine and nice. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Seyi and this is the Daily Seyi. On this channel, my goal is to help you look good and feel seen. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in and being a real one. Why did that take so much breath out of me? Oh my God. I was really trying to say it without taking a big old woo. Okay, let's get right into this video, y'all. Today I'm sharing a Senreve haul. If you're not familiar with Senreve, they are a mid-luxury brand that creates really beautiful leather goods, purses to be exact, and I have a cute little collection, just 3 pieces though. I am a Senreve ambassador, so I will give a disclaimer that all these purses were gifted to me for this ambassador program, but these are pieces that I do wear and I do really love having them in my wardrobe. So if you like to see my pieces that I have from Senreve, then just continue watching. First, we have the Mini Fiore bucket bag, and it is in the color Merlot, this nice little wine Bordeaux color. Stunning, stunning. It has some nice little gold detailing. All the bags I have gold detailing. I'm a gold girl. Today, I'm wearing like a little silver though. I don't know who she is, but I just felt like silver went with like this color that I'm wearing right now. I will put the name of the bag on the screen for each of the bags I am showing y'all. It has like a little tulip, or maybe this is like a heart. Either way, I think it's really pretty. It's almost like encasing the bag. So this part of the bag wraps around to the front, and then you have the open center, and then you have like the other additional leather component that makes up the bulk of the bag. It does have a drawstring detail. Then we have the straps on this side and then straps on this side that actually can be adjusted. So you can make the strap longer or shorter depending on your preference, which again, I do appreciate. And then of course, it's the crossbody strap. It also has feet, which is very nice because that means that this bag can stand up on its own, because I like to display my bags in my little closet. So I like to look at my bags like they're my little babies. I'm like, oh, look at you guys. Just looking so cute and pristine and nice. It does have a good amount of space in the bag. There is actually a keychain in here for your keys. So not this part in particular. I guess it's just for decoration. But there is actually like a little keychain component so you can throw your keys in there and make sure that it doesn't get lost. And it is like a catch-all. Just a catch-all. You just throw everything in there. It does have a card wallet slot. So again, if you're throwing everything in there, but you don't want to just throw your cards in there, you can just put them in the wallet slot. It says Senreve on the bottom here. All their bags have like the denotation of the name on the bag, but it isn't too crazy. Like it's really just like gold stamped on there. So nothing too like, you know, overly overt. The leather on this is very nice. They're known for like their pebble leather, which I believe they do very, very well. So it has pebble leather again around this kind of like tulip encasing, and then it's traditional leather on the rest of the bag. So here's a little close up. And then you see the pebble leather on the side here, what the back is looking like. Again, all the gold detailing and the gold hardware and the feet. I'm gonna be honest, I feel like I don't wear this bag as much, not for any other reason than, to be honest, I don't know why. Like I can wear this bag so much more because again, I'm now into red now. I think maybe that's what it was. Like when I first got it, I didn't have much red in my wardrobe, but I literally just thought of something I can wear this with, and yeah, I'm gonna wear it with that. My sister just gave me a jacket that she got, but it's like a two-tone red, like a true red and like a burgundy red. And I feel like the burgundy red matches with this. Yeah, I think this will work. Okay. It can be styled as a crossbody, it can be styled as a shoulder bag, or it can be styled as a top handle. Also, the other thing I like about this bag, this little back part right here is a sleeve. You can just stick your phone in there. I'm using my phone right now to record this audio. You can stick your phone in there or any other thing. Very cute, Senreve. The Mini Fiore bucket bag. She's a cutie, real cute, and I'm literally going to style it the way I just thought about. Love that for me. Next, we have the Aria belt bag. This is also in their pebbled leather. A little close up for the signature pebbled leather. It has Senreve here with some gold detailing on the hook, and here is the back that also has Senreve on the bottom right here. And then it has some additional strap, and it has some little hooks here because that is the belt bag component of it. When you open up the bag, it's like this cute little envelope style. When you open up the bag, it does come with a strap. So currently in the bag, I have it looped through here because it also comes with 2 additional kind of hook situations. So you can wear it as a shoulder bag. And then let's say you don't want to wear it as a shoulder bag, but you want to wear it as a belt bag. You can literally just unloop it, unhook it, and strap it through here and wear it as a traditional belt bag. I think it's very cute. This bag has a couple of components. It has like the card slot situation here. It has a zipper component here, obviously the inside of the bag. And then this front flap also is, you know, a compartment. So technically 4 different compartments for things. Very convenient. I think this is a really beautifully styled bag. I absolutely love this color. This like cognac color that they do it very, very well. And I love this color because I wear a lot of this kind of brown, and a lot of my outfits go with this kind of brown. I also feel like this brown just goes with a lot of different looks, which I love. You can also wear it as kind of like a crossbody. It has hooks here. So these hooks here allow you to add like a chain strap to the bag. You can wear it as a cute shoulder bag with like a cute gold chain strap, a tortoiseshell strap, that would be really, really cute. And you can shorten the strap to wear it more like a shoulder bag. What I like about this brand is that you're getting the bang for your buck, you know? So when you buy one bag, you're kind of getting like a 3-in-1. You get to wear the bag in multiple different ways, which I like personally, especially like in various different ways, like a crossbody and a belt bag. To me, those are two different styles and they serve two different components. So the fact that this can go from like kind of a cute little day out, and then maybe y'all end up somewhere, you're like, ooh, don't want to really have anything kind of, you know, compressing my chest area. You can just wear it as a belt bag. It's literally so convenient. There you go. You can wear it as a clutch. So cute. There are no feet on this bag. No feet on this bag. So it doesn't necessarily stand up on its own, but if it's leaned up against something, you know, it'll be fine. It'll still like keep its shape leaned up. It won't like slouch down or anything. Again, really good, like sturdy leather. You can just hear this. This is just like a really good, well-constructed bag. These are the two pebble leather bags I have, and you can kind of tell they have the same kind of pebbling detailing on them. And then the last bag I have is my Mini Fortuna, which may or may not be my personal favorite. I don't know what it is about this bag, but I just really love it. I think it's really just the shape. I just love this little half crescent shape situation. It's very cute. And this bag can also be worn multiple different ways. Quick disclaimer, it does not come with the chain. The chain is an additional thing you have to buy. But when I was gifted the bag, they also did give me the chain with it. The bags come in this color, a navy blue, and like a nice kind of like dark pistachio green, which I think is stunning. And then the chains also come in those colors as well. This bag also has gold detailing. As you can see, it has the gold detailing on the straps here. And then on each buckle, I don't know if you can see, it says Senreve. Then it has Senreve here at the bottom of the bag. And the strap on this bag can be adjusted so the strap can be longer or shorter, which I think is really inclusive. And then with the additional chain strap, you have like a different kind of vibe with, you know, your shoulder bag. This actually is a lot of space here. Like, there's a lot of space to me. So inside the bag, you have, again, another keychain holder, which I do like. Then you have these 2 card slots, and then the rest of the bag is just kind of like a catch-all. On the bottom of the bag, there are no feet with this bag, but there is an additional strap here because the bag can be pulled shorter, like I mentioned, but you don't want to have anything kind of like dangling. So you can pull the bag shorter and then just loop it through up here and here on the side. Another thing about this bag is that it is like another like 3-in-1. You can wear it as a shoulder bag. You can wear it as a top handle, I feel like, you know, by just holding it. And you can wear it as like a mini fortune cookie looking bag. Thus the name, Mini Fortuna. I'll put a video of how it looks kind of crunched up in this little fortune bag. I would say that's more so for like going out. If you're not really planning to put a lot of stuff in your bag, it works really well for that. Like you can just throw a couple things in there and then you could just wear it on your wrist like a wristlet. It can easily go from daytime to nighttime. I feel like all these bags have that capability. But this leather is not pebble leather. This is just their like traditional leather. It's the same leather that's on the inside of this bag. It's very soft. I mean, the leather is like extremely soft on all these bags. Again, a personal favorite. I love the color. It matches perfectly with the pair of like heels that I have. I'm a neutral girl. I love wearing neutrals in like the fall, winter, so this bag definitely comes in handy. But it is still a really cute summer bag because I also wear neutrals in the summer. Like it would work really well with what I have on right now. It's one of those like universally flattering colored tans that just work really well. That is my little Senreve collection. The Mini Fiore, the Aria belt bag, and the Mini Fortuna. I love all those bags. Senreve does also carry like bigger bags. As you can tell, these are all more on the smaller side. I will say there is something for everybody on the site. There is something for everybody. If you're interested in shopping, I will link my ambassador link below. I will get commission if you decide to purchase through that link, but zero pressure at all, zero pressure. If you're looking for a brand to shop that is mid-luxury and you want to kind of dip your toe into the luxury handbag market, I would definitely recommend looking at Senreve and seeing what they have. If you made it through this video, thank you so much for watching. As always, I appreciate y'all, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Until next time, bye.